ईरान से तसादुम नहीं चाहते मगर अमरीकी अफवाज पर हालिया हमले नाकाबिल कबूल हैं। अपने लोगों की हिफाजत के लिए ज़रूरी इक़दाम करेंगे। अमरीकी वज़ीर ख़ारजा कहते हैं अमरीका गज़ा में तनाज़े को फैलने से रोकने के लिए मेहनत कर रहा है। गज़ा तनाज़ा रोकना अमरीकी सिफारतकारी का इंतहाई अहम काम है। इसराइल ने जंगबंदी पर अहम सवालात उठाए।
I think everyone would welcome humanitarian pauses. There's no doubt about that. There are obviously different views, including on the question of the ceasefire. But there's no doubt from my conversations with all of our colleagues who were in Amman yesterday that everyone would welcome the humanitarian pause because, again, it can advance things that we're all trying to accomplish, including getting hostages back, including getting a lot more assistance into Gaza, including getting people out of Gaza, citizens from other countries who seek to leave. We've had important progress there in recent days. There are also real complications that come along with it. We continue to work through them.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।